Okay. So I'll explain once again. So when you open your architecture tab now, here we have component. In this component, you can just click on the component. So there will be two options. Already we have discussed about the place a components. Place a components like placing a door, some furniture, some plumbing item. So that and all the place a component. Here, model in place means, so if you want to create any new element, okay, the instant element means, so you can use the model in place, okay. So that there's difference between family and model in place. The tools are same only. That like extrusion, those kind of tools are similar only, but there's a lot of difference between families and model in place. Right now, I'm not going to explain the family, that we'll discuss later. Here I'm going to explain model in place. So this is also a bit important. Just listen carefully. Just click on the model in place. When you click on the model in place, no, so you'll get on dialog box here. See, just drop down here. So here, this is architecture, structure, mechanical, electrical, piping. Okay, these are the filter list. Okay, disciplines. These are the. If you want to only architecture means you can take architecture. If you want to do in structure means you can structure. If you are working in the mechanical means you can use the mechanical. Here I'll turn on everything. I want to show what are the things you can here. See some air terminals, cable trays, casework, ceilings, columns. Okay. So for example, I'm going to click on the columns here. You can give the rename. Okay. So if you are going to work on the column means you can select the column. Otherwise, we have another option that is generic model. Okay. Just I want to show what is how the column will look like. Just click OK. See, your model will be here only. For example, I'll go to my ground level. Okay. Okay. Again, I'll go to. So now I'm not going to use the columns and all. I'll just go to generic models. In this generic model, you can model any models. Okay. Just go to generic model. Click on OK. So just give name. That is if you're creating any table means you can give the table. If you are creating any other things means you can give the names. Right now I'm not going to give any name. Just OK. See here. It should that whatever the model is there, no. So that will goes to the gray. It means you have turned on the new window here. Here you cannot see the architecture tab, those kind of tabs. Okay. See here you can see create option, some insert option, annotate option, view option, manage, add-ins. These are the common. Now I'm going to explain what is extrusion. What is extrusion? What is blend? What is revolve, sweep, blend, void? Okay. So this is bit important. Okay. Here, for example, I've taken the extrusion. Here we have the drive tools. Okay. I'll just create one rectangular here. I'll just give OK. You can see in the 3D view. Okay. So this is my extrusion. See, we have some arrow symbols. If you want to drag this side means you can drag. If you want to drag upside means you can drag. You can drag like this. Okay. So what is the use of extrusion means? For example, I'll go to my east elevation. Here, I'm going to create a profile here. So, okay. When you select the extrusion, it will ask work plane. Okay. Here, just pick a plane. Just give OK. Select here. So you need to press tab. It will select as a full rectangle. If you select the line means you cannot work. Okay. So you need to just move a cursor here. If you're not able to select the rectangle or any It means the profile should be closed. Okay, just press tab and move a cursor here. Just select that work plane. It means, what is the work plane means? So this is my work plane. This is my plane. Okay, assume this is my plane. So in this plane, I'm going to work. So that is the work plane. Okay. Here, for example, I want to create an I section. Let's say we'll take I section. Okay. For example, this I'll take 1000 mm. This I'll take 200 mm. Okay. Let's say this I'll take 300 mm. Height I'll take 750 mm. Okay. Now you can select this thing and you can use the mirror option. Select the midpoint, just mirror it. It should be closed. Okay. But here I don't want this 400 mm. I'll just make it. I'll just draw center line here. Just I'll take offset of 200 mm. Sorry, 100. This is mid now. Okay. So here I'll do trim option. I don't want these lines. So this is my I section. Okay. So when it's showing the magenta line, so it will indicate you're working on that. Okay, you're drawing something. Okay. So that is the indication. If you want to do any like some all kind of things, okay. Yeah, like this you can do. Okay. I'll just mirror here. Select and move it a little bit up. Okay. Just trim this extra portions. Now I have created one I section. Here we have it's a cross section, that is one tick section. Okay. This is a tick symbol. Okay, that's green and red symbol. Let's click on the green. You can able to see there's a lot of arrows in directions in the arrows in this. If you want to drag means you can drag like this. If you want to drag like this, you can drag. Okay. I'm not dragging anything right now. I'll go to my 3D view. You can see here. Okay. So this is a created one I section. Style make it as you can see here. Just change the material here. Okay. Here I'll take default. Just click on the default. Default means there is no material. It doesn't contain any materials. Okay. So it will show. I will just take it as a shader view. Okay. See here. By default, you can when you select the I section, when you select the extrusion, here we have extrusion start and end. If I'll give 1000, so this value will get changed. Otherwise, you can drag how much you want. Let's take it's a girder. What is girder area? Girder. So like mostly the girders will use in the bridges, steel girders, composite girders. Okay. Okay. So you can. Okay. So like this is the extrusion. Okay. So in this extrusion, anyone have doubts? Okay. So again, I'll explain. You have to take the you can draw in floor plan also. It depends on the your view, in which you are going to work. So that view you need to select. See, if I worked on the ground level means, so it will goes to top and bottom. Okay. So for example, just here. So anyone can tell why here it's not taking the, it's not asking that work plane, the plan view. See that yeah, the ground floor, it knows, the software knows this is the work plane. Okay, but when you go to your section or elevation, it doesn't know this is ground level work plane. So in that time, we need to select the work plane. Okay, I'll just do okay. See, now your plan. Now I go to the 3D. So these are drawn in the elevation view. These are drawn in, let's say, okay. So this is the, yeah. See, that's why I told the ground floor. This is the ground floor. Okay, let's assume your floor. You're sitting on the floor. So this is one level. This is like a X and Y direction. Yeah. The elevation is uh, X direction. The plan view is Y direction. Okay. And yeah. So this is the, okay. So this is extrusion. And another one is blend. Okay. For example, edit. Again, I'll go to my ground level. Here, blend means, so there will be two profile will come. So top and bottom. Okay. So when you move your cursor here, it will show some information here. Just see that information. Okay. Now I'll explain you what is the blend. Okay. For example, here you can see edit top. Okay, now it is showing edit top means now I'm in the bottom. Okay. Just give okay. I'll take rectangular in the bottom. Now I'll give edit top. Okay. In bottom, I've drawn some profile here. Here, I'll draw circular here. Okay. Just give okay. See in the 3D view. Just drag. So this is your blend option. Got it. Again, I'll explain. I'll go to ground level. So this you can draw in the top and bottom. Okay. Create. Select the blend option. So which profile you want, can create. Okay. For example, I'll create profile here. This time I'll take a pentagonal. So when you draw one profile, you need to click on the another one, that is edit top. Just click OK. So this is the hexagonal. The sides are 6. Okay. You can give 5 also. You can give 3 means. Okay. Just click OK. Okay. It's in the 3D view. This kind of structures you can okay. That is in the draw tool. So when you click on the blend now, here you have the line, rectangular, pentagonal, or hexagonal. Here we have, you get the, so you need to draw like here, yeah, by using line or arc line. Here we have a So for example, I'll go to my, this time I'll take R type, okay. Just offset with 500. I'll just close this line. If you not close the line means you cannot see, for example, if I not close the line, it will show warning here. That is more than one loop is not allowed. Means you need to close the loop. Okay. Then go to edit top. So this is one profile I've done in the bottom. In the top, you can take any profile. Okay. See, just around and I'll copy. So, boom here. Okay, I'll just leave okay. See in preview. Okay. Got it, right? This is the blend option. Here, another tool is a revolve. Okay. Then I'll go to my ground floor. Okay. I will select the revolve option. Okay, before selecting the revolve, just move your cursor there. It will show some information. See, for example, this showing create a solid revolve, create a 3D shape by sweeping 2D profile. First, you need to draw the 2D profile. So by using that, we can create a 3D shape. Okay. For example, I'll take a revolve. Okay. I want to create like one cylinder. Okay. Let's say okay, this is my cylinder. So have some. Okay. I'll draw. So you need to draw half of the profile. You cannot draw the full profile. You need to draw half profile. Based on that, okay. Okay. So this is my profile. I'll just adjust this R now. Okay. Now, when you created the profile, so this is my profile here. When you create, once you draw the profile, don't click on the uh, click button like a green button. So you need to click on the axis line. Okay, click on the axis line. When you click on the axis line, here we have the property, we have some angles. Okay, right now it is in 360-degree angle. Just I'll draw that axis line. You need to draw where you want. Here I'm drawing at the center. Okay, now give OK. Here's the 3D view. See here. Now select this one. I don't want 360-degree. I want 270-degree. Okay. So it will cut the portion. Now I don't want, I want just only 90-degree. It will cut. So this is the revolve option. Once again, I'll explain. This time I'll go to east level. Here, sorry, not a blend, like a revolve. See here it is asking. So this is the work plan. When you work on the when you're working on the floor plan, it don't ask the work plan. So when you change the when if you want to work on any section, any levels means sorry any elevation means it will ask the work plan. Okay, I'll just give okay. Now I want to set the work plan. Okay, so this I'll take it as a work plan. Select. Now you can draw. Okay, now you need to select the axis line. By axis line. Now give okay. Now check in 3D view. So if you are somewhere here, you can't able to zoom means just type ZE. ZE zoom zoom and extend. Okay. See here ZE. Just type ZE, that's it. Okay. So this is revolve option. Okay. So in this revolve, any doubts? Yeah. Let's move to another one. This sweep. Okay. See, for example, sweep where will be used means uh, if you have any one line, okay, your profile should be like I'll explain. I'll go to my ground level. Okay. In this sweep, listen carefully. So when you click on the sweep, okay. So it will show some sketch and pick path. Okay. Here I'll select a sketch the path. Okay. For example, here I'll take R portion. Okay. This is my R portion. Okay. So this is my profile. Okay. This is just assume this is alignment. This line. Okay. So you need to first specify the line in which direction you want to create the profile. When you create the path, just click OK. Here we'll get the option. Select profile. Okay. And edit profile. It will ask the views. So in the plan view, you have created the your line, that is the path you have created. So you need to create one profile, right? It's for that it will ask the elevation. Okay. I'll go to east or any elevation. I'll just go to east elevation. You can work on 3D also. So you can find the one plus symbol, like that cross symbols. Okay. So this is your profile. Here you need to draw the home profile. Okay. For example, we'll draw. Okay. Let's take assume it's a rail. Okay. Track, you know, right? So all are aware of railway track, right? Okay. It has some like horizontal curves and vertical curves. So let's take, for example, I'm saying, I'll just draw on this here. I'll just mirror it. Just mirror this center line. Will mirror this. Okay, let's draw something. Okay, so yeah, here any profile. Okay, if you have, you can import the profile from the AutoCAD also. Okay, let's draw any one profile. Okay. Basically, the profile will be looks like this. Okay, I've created the profile just this one. Okay, assume this is my profile, my real profile. Okay, you just hit OK. Again, click OK. You can see in the 3D view. So, here. Yeah. So like this, you can draw your profile. Okay. I'm explaining once again the sweep profile. Listen carefully. Go to your level. Either if you want to work on the any elevation means see this time we'll go to the elevation. Okay. I want in the elevation sweep profile. Take a sketch. Okay. Pick a plane. Select any the plane. Okay. Here I'll draw the one profile here. Okay. Automatically. Just click OK. Now select the profile. Edit profile. North or south. You need to draw the profile. I'll just draw a circular here. Still OK. Again you OK. See here. Okay. So like this, you can create the sweep. This is sweep option. Okay. Here we have another option that is sweep blend. Sweep blend is similar to the blend option, but when you're working on the blend, so it is taking top and bottom. When you go to the sweep blend, it's like the horizontal. Okay. For example, I'll go to my noun level, sweep blend. And first, we need to sketch the path. I'll draw one path here. Straight. I'll draw one path here. Okay. Here we have two profiles. When you are working on the sweep, we got only one profile. When you click on the sweep blend, it has two profiles. Okay. So you need to sketch the path here, then give OK. Then select profile one and edit profile. It will ask the elevation, it will ask the views. Okay, you can see this red dot and the reference line. Okay, this is the reference line. Okay. Here I want circular. Okay, you OK. Now select profile to edit profile. Here I want one can draw one rectangle also. Okay, so I'll give okay. Again, give okay. Now you can see this is the sweep and blend. Okay. Now we have covered extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, and sweep blend. Okay. Here we have the void forms. Void forms we'll discuss after this. Okay. Now we know the tool. Now I want to create one object. So now I'm going to create a one chair. As in, we'll create one chair. Okay. So by using this tool, we are going to create a one chair. Okay. For that, I'll delete these things and all. I don't want this. So wherever you are going to enter, so this is a mandatory question. So what is instant family? What is the use of the instant family? Sorry, model in place. What is the use of model in place means? You can tell. So instantly we can create the models. Okay, by instantly we can create the model without existing any, without closing the project. Okay, without closing the project or without loading any other external element. Just give an answer. So instantly we can create the models. That is the okay. Now I will create a chair. Okay, simple wood chair I will create. Okay, yeah. So for that, I want to create some reference lines. Okay. So without lines, without some reference lines, you cannot proceed. Okay. I'll take reference plane here. Okay. In this plan view, I'll draw a reference plane here. Okay. Create a similar. So what is the chair? Anyone will take 1 meter. Okay. So 1 meter will take. Okay. Here also. Take the reference plane. Okay. Now create a similar right click. Create a similar. This time I'll take pick line. 1 meter I'll give. So this is my seating position. Like this is the width and length of the chair. Okay. Here I want to create some legs. That's 4 legs I'll create. Okay. Now I'll take rectangle here. Okay. The thickness I'll take a 100 mm. Will take not 200 75 mm. Will take okay. Thickness of the chair 75 mm. Will take you okay. Again I will take an extrusion here, circular here. Assume this is my leg. Okay. So 25 mm dia. Okay. I'll just mirror this side. Select both. Okay. Check in the 3D view. So this material, you want to change the material. Select the extrusion. Here in the property box, here we have material option. Click on the material. Here I'll take wood. Type wood. Door frame, I'll take this wood only. This also wood. Okay. Now I'll drag this one. This will make it 1 meter. If you given the positive value means it will go up. When you giving the minus value, it will go down. Okay. 1 meter, I don't want 1 meter, I'll take 5 mm. minus 500. Okay. Okay, like a table also you can consider. Okay. Now I want to create one support here. Here, this time I'm going to use sweep option. I will take a sweep. Just draw your path. Give OK. Then select profile, edit profile, any view. Okay. In this view, I'm going to create this support. Okay. This is let's say 75 mm. Okay. See, okay. So like this, you can create your chairs, whatever it is. You can create your own element. Okay. So you can consider like bricks, okay, like a girders, like a piers, pillars. Okay, you can try check with the all comments. Okay. So any doubts on this? So, you guys, any doubts? Those are attending from online. You can raise your
Sir,
hand.
how to,
Yeah.
sir, how to cancel and again, for example,
Okay.
now we are in sweep option. Okay, we are doing it.
Okay.
So we have to cancel and again we have to go to extrusions. So how to
Okay.
do that, sir?
See, now I'm in the sweep option. Okay, edit sweep. Okay. So if you want to go to, if you don't want the sweep means, you need to click on this into mark. So you can go to that sweep, the option will come here. Okay. Got it?
Because when I'm trying, sir, this extrusion, blend, and revolve, this option, sir, it is not like active. It is like it is showing us like I could not select that option. So that time we have to press escape and go back to
Yeah.
create or how is that, sir?
See, if you are in the sweep command, so when you click on the full OK means, okay. So if you are given the OK means, finish the model means you will get, you will go back to the your architecture tab. So now you can place where you want. Okay. So when you're, if you want to edit this chair kind of things means, select that one, go to edit in place, click here. Now, for example, you're in the extrusion. Again, go to edit extrusion, click on edit extrusion. Okay. Now you don't want this extrusion. Okay. I'll delete this one. Just give OK. Otherwise, just give OK. You can delete also. Okay. You need to click on the, if you want to finish your model, you need to click on the tick mark. Otherwise, you click on the cancel mark. Okay. Got it right? Still you are not understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Nitish Kumar. Yeah, Nitish. Your doubt? Oh. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now we have seen the sweep, so extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, and sweep blend. Okay. So these are the solid forms. Now I want to create a solid with void form. Okay. So what are the options you are seeing here? No, same for void form also. Void extrusion, void blend, void revolve, void sweep, void sweep. The same option only in the family also. Same option will come there also. Okay. Now, sorry, this. I will go to this. Okay. Now, I want to create some designs. Okay. Like with void, I want to create some designs. Now, go to your create. See what, how you are using the extrusion blend commands. No, same here also, same procedure only. For example, I have chosen the void form, void extrusion. So when you click on the void form, it will ask the pick a plane. Just select the pick a plane. So sometimes it will select automatically, otherwise you need to press on the tab. Select. I'll draw some designs. Okay. Copy. When you click on the multiple, it will copy with the multiple. Okay. For example, I'll give okay. I'll go to 3D view. See here. Is it clear, right? So if I given the task for other, you can do. Can you do? Yes, same procedure. Okay. If you want to adjust that void means you can drag how much you want. So how much is the solid portion is there? So that much to cut. If you don't want cut full means, let's select. I don't want. I want this much only. Okay. So like this, you can create. Got it. So you guys do one thing. You guys can practice this void, blend, void, strip, same procedure only. But if you want to create a void means you need a solid. It's mandatory. Then only you can cut any portion. Okay. So you can try this. Okay. So just practice on this. If you have any doubts, means you can ask your questions here. So yeah, I'm going to stop here. So this is a like a important topic. Okay. So you need to focus on more and more. So wherever if you got a job, if you want your manager, your lineman, will give some task. Okay. You need to create a like a files column. You need to create this door. Means you need to use the either modern place, either family. But same procedures. Whatever the comments you see, same there only. The family also. But you need to practice more on this. Okay. So just guys practice on this. So if you have any doubts, means you can ask here. You got it right. You try with all this extrusion. Backup class, I'll give the videos. Those are new joinees, no? So I'll give the backup classes. So almost 7 videos are there. So that I've taken from the starting. You can go through that video step by step. I've explained. You can go through that video. If you have any doubts, means you can ask me. I'll explain. Okay. So yeah. In this, any doubts? It's clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you created the full model, so finally you need to click on the finish model. Now you can select, you can place wherever you want. Okay. Is it fine, right? Is it clear? Okay. So yeah, so let's tomorrow I'll come with a new topic. Okay. So if you have any doubts, means you can ask. Yeah. Okay. No doubts, right? Okay, fine. I'm going to stop now. So tomorrow we'll connect. Okay. Tomorrow.
Yes, sir. By using blend option and resolve option, you can try any irregular shapes or
Yeah.
regular shapes, sir.
Sure. For example,
both are same. Both are same, sir.
no, revolve is different. See, on the component now, modern place, you need to select the model and you see okay. So blend is different, revolve is different. If I create any blend here, I'll draw triangle here. triangle with circle. Okay. And now you need to click on the top. Just give. Now go to your top portion. You okay. Now check in the 3D view. So this is blend. Okay. Revolve is, for example, I've selected the revolve here. So I'll draw any profile. So I've created half of the portion. The regular shape. Draw your axis here. You okay. Now check in the 3D view. Got it right? Is it clear? So revolve.
Yes, sir.
It's not same. It's a different. Different. Any other doubts? Is it clear, right? So I'll stop the recording. I'll send the videos now. You are in the group, right?